So you have the basics and you've laid the foundation for healthy sleep habits that are gonna last your baby for their entire lives. But there's always troubleshooting issues that we can talk through. The first and most common issue during the first few months of baby's life is that the baby will not sleep anywhere except on mama. And seriously, it is so common. Think about how tight and snug your baby felt in the womb, and all the movements of your daily activities were lulling your baby to sleep, and now all of a sudden they're in this big wide world. A lot of babies struggle with this transition, and that's why during this 4th trimester, a lot of baby wearing and skin to skin time is going to help your baby make this transition. If you have a baby who really will not sleep anywhere except on mama, I want you to think about your swaddling technique. Are you swaddling? Have you tried different ways of swaddling? And once your baby is asleep, are you transferring baby to a crib or a bassinet or a pack and play or somewhere that they are sleeping somewhere else except on you? Another thing that you can do, because babies like the warmth of your skin and your body, you can put a heating pad down on your baby's sleep space to warm it up before you put baby in that sleep space. Remove any kind of heating pad or anything to heat up the space before you put your baby in, because remember your safe sleep strategies that you need to have nothing in the crib with your baby. So you can warm up the crib and make it a little bit warmer than usual, not too hot, not too cold, just right in the middle, but make sure that you're not having anything in there through the night to keep it warm. Your baby will adjust. And at the end of the day, if you have to spend the first few months holding your baby for sleep, I mean, I wouldn't be so mad about that. But we can always fix those habits later down the road. You can also practice having your baby sleep in a stroller if you're going on a stroller walk, or on dad, or on a grandma or grandpa or somebody else. But as long as they're getting used to sleeping and falling asleep for different people and not just mom, you're going to have a little bit more flexibility, because remember that you need to take a break too. So don't feel like you always have to be the one responsible for getting your baby to sleep.